Hello, good morning. Welcome to another exciting episode of our challenge, where we plan to take a 200,000 funded account to 2 million funded account. At the moment, we're still on the challenge phase. We need to prove to the funding company that we can trade their money and make profit. And to do so, we have to make 8% on the first phase, and we're going to make 5% in the second phase. And at the moment, yesterday, if you've been following the challenge so far, yesterday we made about $5,000. So that put us a little bit closer to the target. So at the moment we are 3.73%, and we are looking for about 4 point something percent now to hit the target. So that is on the challenge. So let's quickly go through our routine now. So we're going to quickly brush through what our trading confluences is, what our trading plan is. So let's see here. Our entry confluence, as before, like if you watch the first video, which I will link up here, I talked about the 3 trading confluences that I'm going to be using for this challenge. And the number one is a retest of 4-hour moving average with an accumulation on the 15 minutes time frame. Remember, I said this is my best. When this happens, I have more confidence in placing a trade. And the other one is support and resistance with an accumulation on 1 hour time frame and a reasonable stop loss level for my stop loss. Preferable take my position on the break and retest of 15 minutes time frame, which I'm going to show us pretty soon, because this particular trade that we're going to be taking today will be based on the support and resistance. And the third one is retest of the daily moving average with an accumulation of 15 minutes time frame with a break and retest on the 15 minutes time frame. So those are our entry confluences. We quickly brush through our exit confluences. Take profit, which is our target, right? But in any case, if the trade doesn't go in our way, we exit on our stop loss. So we must have set a stop loss level that this is the amount I'm willing to risk on this trade. We'll do the calculation together pretty soon. Then failure to break a support or resistance level after an hour. If you see, for all the trade that I've taken this week, this is the reason why I exited this third one, because it fails to break a level. An example is this one. Pretty example is this one. Took a sell from here, I think somewhere around here, and exited here. The reason why we took this sell was the daily time frame moving average was around here, so we thought it's going to swing back down, and immediately it failed to break this level here. Not necessarily because there is a support here, but if you look back on 4-hour time frame, you see that the 4-hour time frame moving average was here, so it couldn't break that. So we knew that it might go up, so we exited. And on GBP card, the trade we took yesterday was a buy trade here, a buy trade from here, and we exited here. Immediately it failed to break this level, we exited. I think I exited on this candle. So that is it, guys. The major thing that you have to focus on is your entry criteria and your exit criteria. These 2 things are very important, because you can have a good entry, but if you don't exit that trade, eventually you're going to lose. On higher time frame moving average retest, so if the market goes up and tests the higher time frame and fail to break it immediately, you exit. So these are the exit criteria, and the trading management will quickly go through that. I won't explain further. If position take on a clear trend with price overall moving average had half of the determined entry position on breakout and retest of a key level, note exit trade when it reverses against you and start accumulating loss. So once loss is accumulating, exit. That's the downside of this. Never add position to a losing trade. So a trade that is going against you, don't add position, just allow it to go, hit stop loss and exit from that trade. Calculate a determined loss percentage on your account and set stop loss on entry trade taking, and never move your stop loss. These are very, very important. This particular rules here is the reason why I'm doing one of the reasons why I'm doing this video, to keep myself accountable, to keep to this rule. So the trade that we're looking at today now is being invalidated. You can see here I was looking to short from here when the price was here. The reason why I didn't take this trade, because I was thinking that there is a kind of a support on this zone, right? There is a support on this zone, I mean a resistance on this zone, like you can see here. So I am thinking that the market is going to drop downward, plus the DSY here on the daily time frame, right, is touching the daily time frame. I was thinking it's going to push all the way up, but remember, one of our conferences said we should wait. The best thing is to wait for a retest of 15 minutes time frame. Let's go back to it. It's just about following rules, guys. Just follow the rule. It said support on resistance with an accumulation on 1 hour time frame and a reasonable level for stop loss. Preferably take your position on the break and retest of 15 minutes time frame. So I was supposed to take this trade earlier this morning when I saw this candle and this one pushed all the way down, looking like it's going to sell. I was so tempted to take the trade. The reason why I didn't take it was that it is not 8 o'clock yet. I believe by 8 o'clock it's most likely going to surge up and take out all the traders, take out all the this traders that are selling. And the other thing why I didn't take that was that it doesn't break the 15 minutes time frame. If it has broken the 15 minutes time frame, I'll maybe come back to retest it. It will have been a very good trade to take. So for those two reasons, that was why I didn't enter the trade. The same thing on GBP card, as you can see here, it didn't break it to retest it, so that was why I didn't take it. I almost take this because this was a kind of a break and this particular one was retesting at that point. I almost took this, but I just said, oh, let me wait till 8 o'clock and see what happens. I still believe that it's still going to sell. That is my belief, that is my bias for today, but we'll look out and we'll see what's going to happen eventually. The TradingView analytic bias here is saying that we're on a buying trend on all these pairs. As you can see, on GBP card is even saying strong buy, on GBP USD is also saying buy, but my bias is a sell. I'm just waiting for my confirmation. If we can break this level and retest this moving average, I'm going to enter. If that did not happen, then we let it go and we won't place any trade today. So the major thing on this challenge is me keeping to this rule, and so that everyone that is watching this video can learn from it. And I think that's the best way to go about it. If we can keep to the rule, we can trade by the book, by the rule that we set for ourselves. Once we have a very good confluences, once we have an hedge in the market, and our hedge is this moving average and all those things that we have put in place, once we can keep to that, we are most likely going to win. But the only problem is when we fail to keep to that. So for this morning, that is it, guys. There is nothing so much to say. I just hope that you are enjoying the video and you're learning one or two things from it. Most importantly is to help you to kickstart your own journey, at least for you to find a basis to start your own trading journey. And like I said, don't just go ahead and put money into a prop firm, because you're most likely going to lose the money. So start by creating a free trial account. You can see a free trial account on FundedNet. You can see a free trial account on the Funded Trader, a free trial account on FTMO. Almost all of them are the free trial account. You're paying nothing. You're paying zero. All you just need to do is click this, enroll, and they will send you a login. Then you can start playing around with that. In subsequent video, maybe during the weekend, if I'm free, I'm going to do a video on breakdown MT5. I use MT5. I don't have MT4 on my system at the moment. Breakdown MT5, everything that you need to know, how to set up your property to make it look like this one, the moving average and everything. I'm going to probably do a video on that, but that is if I'm free, because but we'll see anyway. So that is it, guys, on this particular video. I hope you stay blessed and see you in the next video. Thank you.